baby elephant with some tree. Okay, so that too. And see, red color. I would like to explain you some details of these elephants. For the female elephant, when they're about 15 years, they will be pregnant. Use the time for pregnancy about 20 months to 22 months or nearly 2 years. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times until 50 years they stop to pregnant. At the time they get old. They can pass pictures by memory because they can remember about it the moment you touch them. ไม่เห็นกับตาคงจะไม่เชื่อนะคะว่าช้างวาดรูปได้นะคะ Oh, I'll try if you need to find the pictures really nice. Special size. Okay, วางเลยครับ Oh, Suda and Sinan, they like to show you how to start the names. The first one is on the left side. His name is Sinan. Yes. And Suda.
Unbelievable. It is unbelievable.
Okay, so that you finished the pictures.